OnePlus 7 Pro start receiving OxygenOS 9.5.9 update with June 2019 security patch and camera improvements. With the span of a month of its launch, the OnePlus 7 Pro and the OnePlus 7, the Chinese brand has not slacked off and has posted constant updates for these devices to stay abreast with the latest improvements. These updates have not only brought some innovative and requested features onboard these devices but have also applied performance and optimizations which OxygenOS boats of software is one of the reasons why OnePlus smartphones are loved and keeping up with the name. The OnePlus has released yet another OxygenOS update for the OnePlus 7 Pro, which brings the OxygenOS 9.5.9 on over the device that solves issues like ghost touches and poor camera performance. OxygenOS 9.5.9 update. It's like that. Like it is the case every time the update and information was published on the official OnePlus forum, where the brand also update the change log of this package. This update also brings the June 2019 security patch on over the devices, as well as along with the security patch the update also bring smoother visual effect, better touch sensitivity, better automatic brightness adjustment, improved camera autofocus and much more. The changelog of OxygenOS 9.5.9 update also notes that the OnePlus 7 Pro will get better touch sensitivity for better performance, smooth visual effect, optimized haptic feedback for the keyboard, optimized sensitivity of the automatic brightness, optimized auto switch off display, resolution, optimized speed and accuracy of GPS when the screen is turned off, and adjusted haptic feedback of third-party app notification. There is also a new face unlock assistive lighting which can be turned on by the going to setting, navigating to face unlock and then toggling on face unlock assistive lighting. Further in this new update, OnePlus has also optimized sound output and enhancement the sound for OnePlus wireless buds, and it can be tweaked by going to the Dolby item setting, going to F1 adjustment, and then going to earphone sound enhancement like we mentioned above. The changelog also mentioned the June 2019 security patch which make its way to turn way the OnePlus 7 Pro with this update. Camera improvement for the OnePlus 7 Pro. These are also camera improvements with the new OxygenOS update, and these includes improved performance of camera mode while switching from front camera to rear camera, enhanced speed of autofocus, advanced photo stitching and panorama mode, and enhanced the photo quality of 40 mpgpg in Pro mode. Also, as per an XDA member, the update has started rolling out for some United States and Indian users, and it is going to be rolled out OnePlus 7 Pros users in. Feels like it is the case every time. In case you are on Oxygen 9.5.8 and the stable version, then you can sideload the incremental OTA in the system update app. Else, if you have rooted your phone, then you can sideload the full from fireware, which we do not recommend doing if you are novice user.